An interview given by a judge involved in January 6 cases has prompted a backlash because sitting federal judges rarely speak out about things unfolding in their courtroom. Judge Reggie Walton of the U.S. District Court for the District of Columbia spoke out on CNN about threats to judges that arise from high-profile cases.
But nonetheless, it is very troubling because I think it is an attack on the rule of law when judges are threatened, and particularly when their family is threatened. And it's something that's wrong and should not happen.
His comments came after Donald Trump criticized the judge overseeing his hush money case in New York in a series of Truth Social posts this week. Trump called the judge, quote, totally compromised because his daughter has worked for Democrats. Judge Walton was asked about his criticism of Trump when sentencing January 6 defendants in his courtroom.
You once referred to him as a charlatan at the sentencing of a January 6 defendant. I know you've gotten a lot of those cases before you.
I'd rather not comment on that. I mean, I've made those, the comments I've made in the context of the sentencings I impose, because I'm hoping that what I say to the individuals who I'm sentencing will resonate with them and cause them to rethink the activity that they engaged in that brought them before the court, and hopefully deter them from engaging in further conduct of that nature in the future.
While Walton did not take aim directly at Trump or January 6 defendants who have not yet been convicted, that he spoke out at all raised eyebrows and concerns about perceived bias. Critics said Walton violated ethics rules by giving an interview about open cases, and such highly sensitive ones at that. In court, he has been vocal about his negative views of January 6 rioters. And he spoke out about protecting democracy, something Donald Trump's opponent is running on.
I think it's important, in order to preserve our democracy, that we maintain the rule of law.
The interview is likely to fuel claims that the judicial system is tilted against the former president as Democrats try to stop his rise in the polls ahead of November. Sarah Bedford for the Washington Examiner.